Okay, it seems to be working. Here we go. Hello everyone, I'm Entity 122. So music works. Nice. I'm just going to lower my avatar a little. Yeah, I can put myself here. That's nice. Fine. That's yeah, okay, nice. So this is like my first non-game stream where I'm just really going to try coding, since GameMaker is in GameMaker. It's a game engine that I think is good to learn, so well, if you're interested in coding at least. It's mostly a like relaxing stream, chatting stream, I guess. Mostly where I just do stuff while I lose my mind trying to understand what I should do. Yeah, so I'm just going to start. I'm going to try to make a Pong game in GameMaker. I have only some basics that should help me do. For once, the keyboard noises will be very useful. And so that's why also I have, for once, music in the background. It's really just some random music of Lofi Girl I found online. So I can now try to begin. So GameMaker already provided us with a room, which is where the game will take place. So it's too big for now. I'm just going to get it a little smaller. I think the dimension of like Undertale and such should be fine. Normally if I press F5 it will start the game. It should appear on the stream too as like, yeah, a little but for now it's just a black square. So it's kind of ugly, but I do with what I have for now. But it's fine, nice, it appears. And there's also my mouse, that's great. Okay, so the way I remember, for that we're going to have to create object, as far as I remember. We have to create like objects for the two paddle, which will be used by the player and the AI. The AI I think will just follow the ball, because I think I'll be too lazy to do like something more difficult. And can I create like text here and such? I really don't know. Of course there will be an object for the ball too. So if I create right now like an object, nice. And so I'm going to call it pad. And the sprite, how does it work? Okay, so how does it work? Okay, nice. So really just something like that. That's the center, more or less, yeah. Shit. Okay, wait, do we just... What's that? Okay, nice. Fill. No fill. Can I... Holy shit. Okay, good. and there. Just gonna add, right, a little thing here, and I guess we have a paddle. So wait, can I just make it? Okay, at least a little wonder, I guess. Yep. There and there. It's not much, but it's cool. It gives it a little roundness to it. So now that I have one, I can. What is this? Please. Oh, do I? Okay. Up there. So we have the pad. Okay, nice. Same collisions as the sprites. Solid will immediately be placed back in their previous position when in collision. Oh, yes. Persistent. No. Uses physics. I don't think we're going to use them for now, just to be safe. And I should probably place them in the room first. And I think it's just as simple as that. Nice. 1, 2. And if I start it, hey, we got the base. That's a working base. Well, working, pseudo working. That's just stuff. That's all. So now event. So obviously key up and the key up. So when we press the key and maintain it, press no, the up key. Going to choose the code for one. I'll try to use the code. A second for this project. So now that's the funny part, where we just zoom as far as I can, so it can be easily be seen even on phone. I'm just going to wait because there's like a latency. It's not as far as I am on my phone. Okay, should be good. Just here, nice. So when we press the down, I suppose X, Y is the Y position, so it should really be just Y equal, so the Y position. Okay, so wait, is it minus or plus? Like, so the very top of the screen, will it be 0 or will it be 160, 640? Well, I guess I'm going to try and see. So up should get it down by like 5, and then it should be literally all up. So if I press up, okay, it's the wrong event. Shit. Change event. That's not. Oh wait, key up when you. No, okay, that's me. I'm completely done. Key press. So now. Oh, okay, shit. Okay, so that can be key up, key pressed, and key up. So I guess I have to use a step instead. Shit. I don't... So I'm just going to take that time because I'm very completely lazy for no reason. So we can't have this event. So I'm going to do a crate first. just for some random variable. I think self works, yes. So I'm just going to say self.move, move, like that, because we don't like writing English correctly. And I'm going to 5. So just really something so I can, if I want to change a variable later, I just have to change this instead of having to change it in for both top and bottom, for going up and going down, I mean. Then I have to create, so the step variable, the step function is called every frame, so like 16 time a second. So if here I really just write this, I save it and I start the game, goodbye. That's what it does. I don't know. Was the thing created in time for everyone to see, or was it created too late? Okay, it was created too late, shit. But overall, it was not, wait, if I just, wait, if I put it slower, it should work. Nice. So yeah. So surely it be a if and else condition. The problem is, so if I just type key, if keyboard check, I guess, I think I can use that. I just have to know which key I have to key down, I don't know. I'm just going to remove the else temporarily. So if we press down, so it will be +5. Wait, no. So it will be saved for move, which I will change to be 1 for now. And then, so if I start the game, it crashes. The argument is incorrect, it expects a number. So that's not what it's supposed to be. Yeah. So I suppose it's going to take me to do a little Google search. Oh, okay, I get it. So yeah, GameMaker has this kind of stuff. VK down. So this is the down key. So if the down key is checked, okay, no, the documentation does say if the key down is kept pressed in any case, so it will move the pad by self.move, which is 1, so it will increase it by 1 pixel as long as the key is pressed. So if I press down, nice. So we got a start. I'm just going to set it back to 5. We start it, and then I just wait for it to appear on stream. It appeared. So now if I press down, it works. I just need now to make it so if we press up, it does the opposite movement, which is really just a else function, else if. So if it's not down, then wait, no, I'm going to use another if instead. Technically I could use a switch, but that's like for something that small, I don't think I'd really need it. So VK up, then y equal y minus self.move. So now if the key up is pressed, then it will decrease the Y position by 5 pixels, which will make it go up. So now, if I check, it works. But it also goes off screen. So, how could I check for it if it's not going off screen? Can I use like a print function? Print screen? No. Console maybe? I don't know the debug tools, but that's fine. I'll just do without it. So wait, if y is inferior to 0, no, it doesn't use that. And whoops, put it between here, between parentheses. Otherwise, it doesn't work. That's the rule of the programming language. Then y equal 100, I don't know. So, okay, nice. So just if y is inferior to 0, then it will be equal to 0. And so now, if I try, nice. So we can go up, just have to add it for down. So in that case, I will use an else if, because we can be both at the same time. If it's superior to 640, which is no wait. This is the size of the window, of the height of the window. Is there like a screen? No, there's not. So here we go. And so if I try, then it doesn't work. Maybe it's because of the origin point of the is somewhere around here, which means it only works when the entire pad is like, because no matter how long I press the down key, when I press up, they will appear immediately. So once they go off screen, it blocks. It stops going down. So the condition works. But I have to do a little bit of math. How can I get like the f sprite f? It has a problem. No, it doesn't. Okay. So wait, no, that's not here. That should use it. It's here. Actually, no. For both. Maybe it should work now. Okay, nice. So basically, it checks if the y position, which is here, minus the position of the height of the sprite, which is like all this, minus, I think it's like 64. So it checks if the y value is superior to this minus 64 to make sure that it really hits the off-screen position. I could do it the opposite way, which is like this. So it would really check if the point is at 480, but honestly both doesn't really matter. It works either way. So wait. Okay, never mind. Sorry. Now, nope. So we got the basic movement down. Now the best would probably be that the pad, only the pad here of follow movement, and this was doesn't. I could do 2 pads, but I could also make my life even harder by putting the code of both in the same pad and be like so. I could do something like if the X position, so the position in like, wait, what the, no, what did I just did? What did I do? What is this? Please, what is going on? What? Okay. So the X position is on this axis. So if it's inferior to like the size of the screen on the, like that, if it's on the left side, so then in that case self.player will be equal to true, so that would be our pad, and otherwise it's not, simply. And then in the step condition, we could just make it so all of this only works if self.player is equal to true. And so if I try, nice. So yeah, here we go. And so to code the movement of the other pad, we just have to code the movement of the ball first. Okay, great. So I'm going to create a new object. Wait, first a new sprite, which is the size of, honestly, just 12 by 12. This is like really small, so we don't really need a lot. And then just make a ball, at least anything that would look like a ball. Yeah, that work. So now it's just a fill object. Nice. Wait, I just noticed that the music stopped. I would just like to or you know what, I just put it again. Oh, I'm going to rename also the sprite, so ball. In this sprite is pad. Wait, no, that's already the pad. Wait, can I rename also the sprite? Pad? No. Okay, so sp pad, so the sprite of the pad, and this is the sprite of the ball. Nice. I'm going to close this. I have no idea where is here. Okay. So now I can create a new object, which will be the ball. it uses the, no, not the pad, the ball. So its name, of course, is the ball. And before adding any event, I will just go and place it can I disobey the... Okay, yes I can. Here we go. Okay, nice. So let's return to the ball. So when it is created, we are going to give it a speed. So the speed value, which will make it move at a certain, well, a certain speed every frame. Let's just try 2. So it will move by 2 pixels every frame. And for knowing what is the direction, we're going to use well, the direction value. I don't remember if it works with in radius or in degree. So okay, so GameMaker direction. Okay, so it seems to be radius. Wait, oh no, never mind. Great. So 0 is to the right, but I'm just going to give it oh wait, what? Oh, is the random? Okay, nice. So a random value, random, I don't know what's the difference, but it's more unique between, so it will be between 0 and 2070. So if I do it, is it going to work? Yes, it does. Nice. Obviously it's pretty slow, but that's just like for the time being. So I think for now I'm just going to make it so it goes only to my side, just to be sure. So I want them range, so I can define it a range. So we could only go from so wait, what's, so 90 degrees is to the up, so 90 will be up, and of course 2060 will be down. But I only want it to go the left is okay, so you will have to go through all of these possibilities, which will go from, I don't know, wait, is it going to work like that? Okay. I guess it's working. No, wait, it's always the same. Wait, that's not supposed to be like that. Oh, so now it's being a little different now. Is it still the same or is it more random? Oh wait, whatever. So it will just allow me to like code the collision with the screen. Can I call it? No, it's only with, okay. So instead I'm going to use a step. So the update, the function that is called like every frame, and I'm just going to be like, if y is inferior to 0, so it's going to obviously the speed doesn't change, but the direction, can I just be like direction, no, not like that, direction equal minus direction. Is it going to work, or is it going to cause some problem? Oh wait, it doesn't. Okay, it crashed. It may be a bad idea to start with the up collision, since the ball always goes down. So it would be whether if it's equal to yes, this minus sprite 8. Okay, fuck. Wait, how can I debug? So GameMaker debug. It has a lot of options that I'm not really sure I understand. I don't think I have the debugger anyway. I'm not sure. Oh, this is going to be painful now. Wait, I'm just going to like direction equal. So which one was the up? It was 90 degrees. Just to test it out. Okay. Oh wait, no. Once again. Okay, nice. So it works, not as I wanted, but it works. So now if I do minus direction, will it work or not? Oh yes, obviously the collision is still not here yet. So I think I'm going to use like the, I think GameMaker doesn't have a, oh yes, never mind, that's end. Okay. Can I go like that? Or is it wrong? Like if I go like that, does the error? Okay, yes. So it can be like this. If it's inferior to 0. Okay, nice. If I make it go like 50 degrees, so it should go up. Wait, no, that's not what it. No. Wait, no. I'm getting confused. Maybe I'm wrong. So there, maybe. no. So it really just doesn't care. So if I just add another condition, it's bad, but if I just do it to test, to try it out, and okay. I'll have to see how if conditions work in GameMaker apparently. So how does if else if in N works? Oh, okay. So the end must be used for something else. Never mind. Here. So I was right at first. It seems that the end is for something else actually. So if I try... No. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's not and, it's or. Because it can be both at the same time. It's either this or it's either that. I'm an idiot. So does the or actually works? Or... Okay, so it was that. I'm just a complete idiot. Okay, so nice. So what now? I think we can start to decide about the collisions. But I still have to know how I'm going to give it like... honestly, maybe I can be like if random so can I get a definition of the function? Oh no. Like if I do 1, if it's equal to 0, then direction is equal to I random range. So if it's 0, then it will go something between 80 to 2060. Else it will also be a direction between 70 to 0. That looks very weird. Okay, I don't know, I guess it will. It's kinda to be sure that it like doesn't go straight up or down, because otherwise it will just never like move towards the pad. It's probably very bad and weird, but I'm just going to let it at that. So now I think I can get to if there's a collision with a pad. So in that case, if there's a collision with the pad, that's what I just said. Well, in that case, it's really just direction equal minus direction. That's all you just have to do, like it did before. Of course it won't. Wait, but oh my god, it's annoying. Like, does the random even have a purpose, or how does it work? Why can it just go? Why can it just go to me? Do I have to like random seed? Random set seed? No. I don't know. Oh my god. So direction equal 45. No, I don't want it to go here. Okay. It's slow, but it's going to one mirror at least. Oh, oh, oh. It crashed. Or at least I don't think it crashed, more like it's an infinite loop, I guess. No. Oh, maybe it's because the direction is always like... it doesn't really have the time to... Damn. Wait, I remember the collision event have like something to check if it's a player pad or not. I just need to find which one are we... collision. The collision event. And I just need to know if I can find something. We have the collision event. This is an event that when you place an object, if you have an announce, this can be based on the mask. If your physics on, will be based on the type of collision shape. That means if you create an instance, these events, and then try to check a collision for it. Okay, but that doesn't help. Like, can I have something that is really for the collision event? Shit. I remember there's like a variable that is given to something when I don't know how to say it. So wait, I'm going to try to check for something. Like there's a variable for that reference the thing we can just add a collision with. I just need to know. Oh, it's other. Nice, I found it. So if other dot player if other dot player. So if the pad is the player's pad, then that means we're on the left side of the screen. So I'm just going to add, I'm going to, wait, can I just use this instead? I'll add 5, otherwise just remove 5, so that's like to be sure that they are not colliding anymore. And since then you change the direction, they should not collide with each other anymore. No, that's too slow. Can I just go like that? Okay, nice. No. Oh god damn it. I'm trying to think of why you could do that, because it looks like it's crashed. It looks like it crashed, but there's like no indication it did, so I don't really know. Like if I'm going to the extreme, now it just doesn't care. I don't get it. Wait, if I just do something like I'm just going to remove this first. There we go. If I do something like instance, so this function instance remove, no, that's not that destroy. Like it says, it kinda just destroy. So if I remove self, so if the ball get destroyed when, okay. So that's not a problem. So direction equal 0. So yeah. So it should go somewhere in the opposite direction at least. Okay. Oh, wait, so it did a weird thing, and now it crashed. Oh, okay. So as long as I stay, that's weird how it like stop its speed. Oh, that's funny. Okay. But that also means that I have to well, you know what? I'm going to use the peak of programming of a programmer job, and I'm going to do a Google search for it. So reverse direction. And so how could I? Up. So doesn't really help. Like, I don't get what is wrong with minus direction. It's supposed to do exactly what you would expect it to do with the wall. The worst part being that it even like keep my own pad blocked. God damn it. That's this type of stupid problems that keep you away for like hours for no reason. What the f... Okay. What? So that's the closest I'm getting from having a working game, I guess. Well, it works, so that's all for me. I'm just going to change the speed to something like faster but still like not like that, for example. Maybe actually 2 was good. So random this. And now I'm going to come back to the pad to do its movement if it's not the player's pad. So, can I zoom again? Yes. So if it's not the pad of the player, oops, then how could I do that? I don't want to just be like the Y position of the pad is equal to the Y position of the ball, because it wouldn't work. It would be like basically impossible. So I think the right way to do it would be to check in the ball itself if it's going up or down. Maybe I don't need like a variable here, just here. If I zoom in and I'm like, I think I can use with pad. So this will make it so it will use a pad as a variable, I think. I don't really... so pad the... Wait, I'm just going to check it real quick to see if I'm doing it correctly. With statement. No. Okay, so it does use other, I think, also. Yes, it seems so. So if other dot direction is like inferior to, this is going to be the part I'm going to lose my mind, I think. So 0 degree is to the right. So is inferior to 90 degrees. So it's going like 0, no. So this is for the, wait. I'm checking for like up and down, not the opposite. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Holy shit, I'm losing my mind. And it's not even difficult math, I think. I'm really just stupid. Okay, so but I guess that kind of makes me like a verified VTuber, can do math. So right now I have Paint opened. That's the point where I am. So I want to check if it's like inferior to 0. Oh wait, so maybe I can do minus 90. It will work maybe. So if it's like in other direction is superior to minus, so that would be basically if it's going wait, if it's going what? Oh my god. Oh. Wait. I think I remember seeing that there was like something like a while previous. Maybe I can use this. So it's like if the y current y is superior to y previous. So it's if the current position y is superior to the previous one, that would mean that it's going down. So self dot up will be equal to false. Else self dot up will be equal to true. And of course I have to define this here. Self dot up equal true by default. Okay. I have no idea if it's going to be like something working. So if other dot up then y equal y minus self dot move, else y equal y plus self dot move. So the goal is that it doesn't really, it uses its own speed instead of like only following the bottom one. I have no idea if it's going to work. I hope. It doesn't. Unexpected. Oh, wait. And we'll remove that. No, there's still an error. Malform if statement. Wait, no, it's just else. Ah, it crashed. Not set before reading it. Okay, I think I know what's going on. What will be... How could I check if a variable exists? Okay, nice. Variable instance exists. Instance ID name. Okay, nice. So that would be if variable instance exists. So that would go other and up. Nice. So if the variable up exists, do the check. Otherwise don't. Otherwise it crash. But there's still an error. Oh wait. Here we go. Nice. Is it crash? Not set before reading it. Well, isn't that like the point? Oh wait, okay. I have to put it as a string, not the variable itself. Nice, but the path doesn't follow it yet. The problem is that I have no idea how to like debug stuff here, so you see, is there not something I can print to console? Oh, show debug message. Show debug message. Okay. Is it because it doesn't work or? Okay, no. It definitely works. So with pad print to debug message, does it also work? Yes, there's like a big spam of hello in the console. But when it checks if up exists, it never returns anything. Wait a minute. So yeah, there's no hello that gets prints. I don't really get it. Wait. Wait, I'll be back like in a sec. Just wait a little. Alright, I'm back. So let's get back to our problem. So I want to try to like print literally just other. I have no idea what it's going to do. Nothing. Wait, of course it won't. Since the function is not here. Move 5 player 0. So it does not recognize. Wait. Why? Wait, I'm an idiot. Why I was checking with the other pad? I mean, oh my god. Still does not doing anything though. Check. Yeah, that's a pad. So if it's not the player, with ball. Okay. So if I print literally just ball, it's equal to 0. What is that supposed to mean? I also need more information on what the with statement do. Chapter 5. Maybe I can watch a quick tutorial and just skip to the with. Okay, so the powerful loop statement. Oh, it runs code. Oh, right. So like if it's self. Okay, I see. I can also see that the code doesn't work. Pause event has been unregistered. Right. I will also like rename them to be more on board with what they are. Object pad. No. Yes, pad. And object. Well, don't ask me that how it works. Also, those two will probably be better like in the sprite folders, I would say. It shouldn't mess up with anything, right? It does. Oh, wait, that's because it doesn't have the same name now. With object ball. So I won't use with actually. It's not what I want. Just if object ball app exists and if its app variable is true, then move it like that. Okay, goodbye. Yeah, so it doesn't work at all. Divided by 2 maybe? The thing is that up doesn't work, so I'm just going to return to the ball, and I'm just going to be like show debug message y and y previous. Okay. What about y previous? It doesn't move as much as okay, never mind. So what's direction instead? So between 0 and wait, what? No. Isn't there something like x direction? No. Shit. No. I have no idea where I can do that. Well, I just want to know if it's going up or down. So I want to know if it's shit. If it's equal to 0, it's going this way. If it's this, it's going this way. And if it's 90, it's going upward. So I have to check if it's like superior to 0 but inferior to 180, because otherwise it's going down. Yes, I think that's it. So if direction is superior to 0 and direction is inferior to 150, then that means it's going up. So true. Otherwise it's going, no, not down. Otherwise it's not going up. Now let's print self.up. Oops. So 1, 0, okay, nice. 1, and the path follows. 0, 1, okay, nice. I just need to go back into the pad, the code of the pad. Shit, I opened the Windows menu, and I'm going to zoom in again. Nice. So just going to like make the same verification as here. And it should be good. Actually, wait, okay. Actually, I could like just put this outside, since you know it's going to be run anyway by the two, so it will prevent me from repeating it. There we go. And so, of course, I need to go back here and random 160. Okay. That's not really what we're supposed to do, but okay. If I give it its normal movement. Maybe it should actually move like at the default speed of the ball. Oh my god. So I think the default speed is like 2. I think I'm doing this wrong actually. Maybe it's actually a better idea to like check if the X position, no, the Y position of the, okay, I won. I think it's better to check if the Y position of the pad is like higher or lower than the Y position of the ball, then we change where it's going. So I don't need this anymore. It's just this. So if it's lower than self, not Y, then you try to access it. If self won't move. So wait. So if this is 10, 9, I mean, it works. Like, it's having a stroke, but it does what it's supposed to do. Just it will probably be better. How could I make it so well? So so it checks here, but if I add self.sprite height divided by 2, so it should be the center think I got it, yeah. Yeah, I got it. So instead of checking the most upper point, I'm going to do it with mine. You check here instead the center. And the last thing to add for the game will be well, to get this to go. So speed plus equal 0.2. And so now when it has a collision with a pad, it's going to go even faster. Boom. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely going way faster now. Maybe I made the AI a little bit too strong actually. Holy shit. Oh fuck. Oh no. Whoops. I lost. It's a powerful AI. I'm just going to keep it to that. I guess I could make it more fair by dividing it by 2. So it would move way slower, so the player will have a chance to win. So now if I play a party again, a game again, yeah, okay, you, oof, okay, so you win, but like very easily. I prefer this one. It's way harder, but it's like, hey, I just say it's a point full, so I'm going to give you a game very hard. Even though I say give, I can't really make the game downloadable anyway. Okay, so now, however, I need one last thing. So, of course, it's very good to have this, but it would be way better if we could, like, well, check if the ball is going... I guess I could do that directly with the ball, but that would not be very great. So I'm just going to add a new object to the scene, which is basically the game itself. Object game. No sprite because we don't need one. Not visible, we don't, wait. Ah, okay, so great. So wait, I don't need anything to be drawn for this. And so, well, step and draw. Step and so if object ball is inferior, no wait, dot x is inferior to 0, so it's still going off screen to the left, or object dot ball dot x is superior to, wait, no, that does, no, wait, yes, that's it. No, I'm going crazy. So if it's going off screen, is it to the left or to the right? No, wait, I'm going to do one by one. This one first. So I'm going to create like a variable in the create event. that's going to be like self.game on. So if the game is currently going on, which is true at first, and in that case, if it's going off screen, then the game starts. Actually, wait, I'm going to put it to false first, so we can do something like if you press enter to start playing or something like that. And then, so, oh yeah, also I will use the score, so self.score player equals 0, of course, and same for the score of the computer CPU equals 0. So if it's going off screen to the left, that means that the CPU won, so they have a point more, they gain a point. And else if object ball.x, if it's this time going off screen, wait, either if it's going off screen to the right, I forgot to close the parenthesis, then safe.game on equal false 2, and self.score CPU player whether is +1. And then in the step I'm going to be like if self game on, so if game on is not true, then basically if keyboard press, I think that's KV, enter, no that was not, what was it already, pad, what's this, no that was VK, not sure what VK stands for, but fine, VK enter, so if you press the enter key, well, that will start the game. Game on equal true. And I'm also going to do it so with object ball, so it put itself, so speed equal 0, and what I will, oh yeah, so x equal the center of the screen, so it would be this, and the y would be this, and of course I'm going to add those things so it understands and doesn't crash like an idiot. There's also a crash here, apparently, unexpected syntax error. Oh wait, okay, I know what it is. Nice. And so when you press enter with object ball, speed equal true. So when the game is not on, the ball speed is at 0, so it doesn't move, and we keep it at the center of the screen just in case. And when you press enter, the game starts, and we give a speed to the ball so it can go to whatever the hell it wants to go. Maybe I should also like give it its direction here. Direction equal went down here. Nice. And I would also like to check like one of the GameMaker tutorial, because there's something wrong with the random I saw, and I'm not sure why nor what. So how could I be like, is there somewhere where it uses like random, so I can just see if it tells me to like set the seed or something like that? So more random. Okay, so there's stuff with random, but it doesn't really tell me anything about why is it so predictable. I'm not really sure. Oh well, that's fine, we will do without it. So first, now, is it okay? So now I just need to tell everything in their step function that basically if self, no, not self, if object game dot game on is not equal to true, then nothing works. So it's whether if it's true, then please do that. Otherwise, just don't. Nice. So I'm going to do the same in the ball, for the ball. Well, technically it doesn't need it, I think. Because like the game decide, oh wait, unable to find an instance for object index 1 name. Oh wait, I know why. I did not place it in the room. Oh, it's going wild. Okay, never mind. Maybe we should just remove that. Okay. Why does everything I do have a stroke? Okay, but wait, if I press enter, okay, so the game starts normally. And if I lose, okay. And now you also have to reset the position of the pad. For that, I think I can just call a function maybe. Object pad. Yeah, but it won't. Yeah, it won't act like normal. So I just rather be like else exposition equal the position we had at the start. Y equals the position we had at the start. Which I'm probably going to do the same with the ball. No, it was set here. I'm probably going to do the same with the ball. Set exposition to the start. And same here. I don't know if you're going to solve it, but I don't know why the ball is going insane. Like, really. If I don't give it any speed, it's going to, like, go wild. What the? I don't think there's any code that is supposed to do that. But okay. So even if I remove this, it does that weird stuff. So wait, show, debug, message, object ball. Wait, no, so here, dot speed. What is the speed? Oh, something set it to true. But nothing does. Whoops. Does the pad do? No. That's weird. Wait, what? That doesn't make any sense. Why? So if I just do it like this instead. Because it's clear that this function is not called. As long as I did not press enter, so that's weird since like game on is never set to true. What the hell? Oh, wait. Okay. Maybe that was it. I hope. Okay. Funny, that's a funny error, not gonna lie. Okay, so now it's at 0, and when I press enter, it's still at 0, but it's at... Oh wait, oh yeah, of course. It's that there's no more debug message. So now we got something that works. Nice. So basically we have some sort of game of Pong that like it's working at best. Nice. Can I just do something like what's set window set title? No. I guess I don't have access to it since I don't have the subscription necessary for that. Oh, never mind. Windows set caption. Ah, okay. So Windows set caption. Stupid Pong game. Okay, yeah, its name Stupid Pong Games now. Good. You can see it, but I can. That satisfies me. What now? Well, maybe the score would be great. So I don't know. I don't remember how to do it, but I think it's a draw function first. Draw key, and then like I follow like one tutorial of GameMaker, and I think it's used draw key, and then that will be draw text. Yeah, draw text color. So it would be hello world, 2100 for the position, and 1 1 1 1. Wrong number of argument. Yeah, okay, but where are the argument? Oh, it's here. Shit, it's like not height enough. So wait, instead I'm going to rather do draw set color C white, and then draw a text at 100, and the last is the string, so hello world. And then now it should work. No, where it is. I don't see why it shouldn't work. Let me just check the tutorial again. So add so it should work. But it doesn't. I'm just going to take this and then 10 by 10. Why? So add the score. So when we create, we have a point value. I have already the points. And then draw a key. So, well, it shall work. Like there's no reason it shouldn't. I don't really get it. Like if I want to print show debug message, it works. And it doesn't. Okay. What? Why? What the? Well, first, where is the old? Here. Let's remove it. So no debug message. Oh, wait, I know why. I'm dumb. I said it wasn't visible. Here we go. So now I have no idea how I can like customize it. So draw, set, like I don't know, or I can set the size or something. Oh, so transform. Draw text transform. That should work. Okay, so oh, here we go. So that should be. No, stay here. Stay inside. Wait, what the? Oh, I can open the manual like that. Okay. So shit. Here. Here. Then the string, which will be self dot. No, that's score player. Then the X scale. Let's say 3. No, 4. 4 and 4. And the angle 0. Oh. Damn, it's ugly. Yeah, but like the font folder is here, but how do I create a font? Can I just... Oh, okay. Select the font. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. No. I think I could use a semi-bold. Like, it doesn't look too bad. So it will be... I don't know, font score. Here we go. So now, if I go back into the game, and now I can go back to like what I did before and just set font score, and it should be good, right? Nice. Yeah, it's a pretty, the font is way more pretty. I'm just going to change the size, like half, no, twice as big. In the official Pong game, it was like way bigger than that. Nice. Okay, so well, now that we have this working, just have to place it. So going back here, let's just 20 and here 60. No, 10 was good. So 10 and 100. Maybe a little bit more. 150. Nice. And actually maybe I will put it at like 8 or 5. Okay. And so I will do the same for no. The score of the CPU, just going to place it at like here, minus the side of the window, minus, wait, that looks even, that doesn't look right. That doesn't look good. Not sure why. Yeah, it will work. And so now and this already take care of it. So now I think it should be over. So enter to start playing. It's kind of okay, so nice, everything is working now. Technically there's no like win condition, like no screen that says the player won or the CPU won. Am I a little bit too lazy to do it? Kinda. And honestly, we have the Pong game working, so that's all that matters to me. Oh, nice. Finally, it goes towards me first. So that looks good. Great. Pong, a replica of the Pong game, just like all time. Times that I did not see, but that doesn't matter. So yeah, now I have the thing working. That's great. Nice. Oh shit. So there's still like some clear bug to some problem here and there, but honestly, at this point, I don't think I would even care. Oh my god. Like my goal is really not to make something really professional, just something that works. And it does, so you son of a... Yeah, it works so well, it's like, well, it's a product of April Fool Day, I guess. This thing can just troll you sometimes. So that's great, that's like my first game on GameMaker. Like maybe without any tutorial or something, just maybe sometimes from searching the solution, but like that's every time, so that's great. And I completely suck at this game. I like it. It's working, and that's That's already a big step. Okay. I just want to try to win the game. Well, at this one. Come on. Oh, shit. No. Okay, never mind. I made defeat to my own creation. So that's all for me. It's worked perfectly, and I don't care what anyone says. It may be unfair, but it works. That's all that matters to me. So that's all. Thank you at least for watching this stream. I think, yes, or maybe even the VOD. Okay, who knows? If you wanted some sort of talking, lo-fi music and keyboard ASMR, I guess you got served. That's like a recreation, I guess, from scratch. That's not the game itself. I just try to recreate it. So yeah, it's like a replica of Pong. Oh my god, oh, it can be so slow ever sometimes. I think I'll be here for a while. Oh, oh shit. Well, I did say that I was not aiming for like a perfect replica. It's working, it's that matters to me, so yeah. This is fine. Will take a 1 minute to arrive to me. Anyway, so how was your days? Have you been like recalled a lot or something? I got recalled one time today. Immediately after waking up. Nice. Now we are going. No, 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 no. Okay. Oh shit. Well, here we go again. So how many things were like April Fools today? Like there was a lot of stuff, random stuff. Like HoloLive sold like Yago figures, real life size Yago figures. Shame is like I'm a little broke for that, unfortunately. So unfortunately I can pay the price. I could wait until the year 800, wait, that was the year 8,050, 5,000, but unfortunately I'm kinda broke for now. Oh my god, it's so slow. Well, I'm going to make it so when it reaches the pad, it's just going to stop the streams. And for now, I'm just going to like go drink something or something because it's too slow for me. Goodbye, people. Enjoy my suffering.